Here's my repair for my Honda Silverwing intake manifold. Seal all, shrink tube, and a wire brush. Taking wire brush around all the cracks really nice, which this has a lot. This helps the seal all stick. You could do where it's not cracked as well, but it's not really needed. As long as you got a little nice area around each one of them, it'll be fine. That's not a crack, that's a dent. That's a dent. But I already did this one. Got a little hot on the torch right there a little bit. Polished it a little bit just with the wire wheel. These looked really crappy when I started. Someone had silicone all around them. I wire wheeled it off. Yeah, dust. And little JB weld on one was from me. Didn't work too well, that's why I went a different route. And this should hold up really well. This is gas proof. Pretty good stuff. So I'll use it on gas tanks and other stuff before. Get a X-Acto knife, wire wheel, and a little torch. That's all you need. But I'm just showing how it turned out on this one. Just clean it up a little bit around the edge on the inside. You see this one's cracked pretty bad. Mainly around this edge, I think around here. Let me see. And it goes on kind of like this, I think. It's cracked mainly around here. The clamp will keep the shrink tubing real tight there. But I took and cleaned it up real well like this one. Put seal all in all the cracks, let it dry a little bit. Rubbed a layer around it, real nice. Let it dry a little bit to where I could touch it. It was still tacky. Then another layer. Then I slid my shrink tubing over it. This is 60 millimeter shrink tubing, 2.4 inch. It shrinks around it really good. It's a little loose now, but it shrinks really tight on it. And that should hold. Worst case, might have to put another clamp on this side, but I don't think so. Because the seal all, there was a fresh layer on it. It was tacky, like sticky still, whenever I slid the shrink tubing on it. And it's on there really tight. But, yep. That's it for now. I'll get a video of my Silverwing on another day. I'm gonna jet the carburetors a little bit bigger because I cut the pipes on it. And I'm gonna put at least one size bigger jets in it. And I'll get a video of it and show these off as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Later.